Hi everyone, here's a video update for you on this Tuesday afternoon across the valley. We've had a snowy day, of course, so far, with anywhere between 1 and 3 inches on average across the valley, and some of us are not quite done just yet. Here's a live look outside in Niles at a little after 2 p.m., about 10 after 2. We have just a few snowflakes flying. 422 is looking clear. The major roads, for the most part, I think are just fine across the valley at this hour. A little bit of a heavier snow shower down in Boardman, but as you can see, it's not really sticking much on the roads. Plenty of traffic, and of course the roads have been treated, so major roads, no problems today. You can still have some slick spots on sidewalks and in parking lots, that sort of thing, for the rest of the afternoon, especially if they haven't been treated. The radar across the region at this hour looks like this. We have the little bit of snow shower activity across parts of Mahoning County, including right around the Boardman and Poland area. Then we have a little bit of lake enhancement going on east of Cleveland, up here in the southeastern suburbs of Cleveland. We'll put a quick hour loop on this. This is cruising east, and some of these heftier squalls or snow showers can start to impact parts of Trumbull County over the next hour or two. Not expecting much in the way of accumulation out of this, but certainly a reduction in visibility. We're more concerned about accumulations coming later on today and into tonight after sunset. Here's our high-resolution futurecast showing us the evolution of things for the rest of the day. Notice the lake effect starts getting going this evening, and this will be primarily 224 north or even I-80 north with these fingers of lake effect snow, and with a lot of this coming after sunset, we can start to see some slick spots developing once again. As far as additional accumulations on top of what's already fallen, a worst-case scenario, if you will, for some of us will be up to 5 or 6 inches, parts of Trumbull and Mercer counties. I think that's the high end. I think a lot of places in Trumbull and Mercer County will get 3 inches, maybe even 4 inches of additional snow tonight with the lake effect, just depending on where the band's set up. Lake effect is notoriously fickle, a little hard to predict more than a couple of hours ahead of time. Even down into parts of Mahoning and Lawrence counties, down to about 224, we could see 1, maybe even 2 or 3 inches of snow tonight if some of these fingers of snow wobble down and kind of stay put for a little while. So this is kind of what we call a nowcasting situation this evening, where I'm going to have to keep updating the forecast depending on how the evolution of things goes. All right, as far as temperatures, well, it's cold, no doubt. We've already reached our high for the day. Temperatures falling for the rest of the afternoon. Wind gusts have been exceeding 30 miles per hour for several hours, so wind chills are down in the single digits and even below zero in parts of western Ohio early this afternoon. I expect our wind chills to drop below zero tonight. It's going to be a harsh start to Wednesday. We're talking wind chills down around 5 below, perhaps even a little bit lower to kick off the day. Weather for Weather Geeks coming up this evening. It'll be online between 7:30 and 8 on my weather blog and wfmj.com/weather. We're going to talk more about the lake effect tonight with fresh radar updates and everything. We'll talk about a minor system that is going to cruise our way Wednesday night into Thursday morning that could bring us some minor additional accumulations of snow. And we'll touch a little bit on the medium range. We're not going to spend a lot of time on the upcoming weekend because, we've got our hands full here in the short term. That's coming up on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening, and I'll also see you this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11.